Ever found yourself drowning in a sea of receipts, unsure where to turn? Well, fear not. Today, we're diving into the world of Expensify, a tool designed to streamline your expense management. Specifically, we'll explore the simple process of submitting your receipts to this handy platform. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a small business owner, or just someone who needs to keep track of their spending, Expensify can be a lifesaver. It automates the tedious task of expense reporting, saving you time and effort. Step-by-step guide. Log into your Expensify account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Expensify website. Enter your login credentials and click Sign In. Create a new report. Once logged in, locate the New Report button. Click on it to initiate the process of creating a new expense report. Add receipts. Mobile app. Open the Expensify mobile app. Tap the plus button to add a new expense. Select receipt and either take a photo of your receipt or upload one from your device's gallery. Web app. On the web app, you can drag and drop your receipts directly into the report. Alternatively, click the Add Receipt button and select the file from your computer. Categorize and tag your expenses. Expensify often uses optical character recognition, OCR, to automatically extract information from your receipts, such as date, merchant, and amount. However, you may need to manually review and edit these details. Assign appropriate categories and tags to your expenses for accurate reporting. Submit your report. Once you've added all your receipts and categorized your expenses, review your report for accuracy. When you're satisfied, click the Submit button to send your report for approval. Additional tips. Organize your receipts. Before submitting your expenses, consider organizing your receipts by date or merchant. This can make the process smoother and faster. Use Expensify's mobile app. The Expensify mobile app is a convenient way to capture receipts on the go. You can take photos of receipts, scan QR codes, and even use the mileage tracker to log your business miles. Explore Expensify's features. Expensify offers a variety of features to streamline your expense management, such as automatic expense categorization, policy checks, and integrations with other tools. Take some time to explore these features and find the ones that best suit your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.